Nelson Mandela has rightly said that education is the most powerful weapon that we can use to change the world. I am Dr. Sunita from Roorkee Institute of Technology. I am a professor of English, and Roorkee Institute is a NEC A++ grade institution of Uttarakhand. Today, first of all, just good morning to all of you. Today, we are in the international conference organized by Green Thinkers, and we are discussing here the quality education. What is quality education? First of all, the question arises in our minds. We all are intellectuals, and we belongs to the professional field. What is professionalism and what is quality education? We are teachers and we are giving the education to the students, and quality, what quality we are giving and producing and giving to the students. Quality means that the teaching with the innovation. We are teaching in the classrooms and giving the innovative teaching to the students. Learning is a process that related with the teaching. Teaching process somewhere is different than in the classrooms we are giving as we are preparing our lectures. Somewhere the teachers called that we are preparing a lecture and for 50 minutes and 1 hour delivering we have to give to the students, and that is called the innovative teaching. No. Innovative teaching means that practically what we are giving the skills to the students. What skills the students are just grasping in the classes. Grasping means the skills what they are delivering to the society. Society is related to this world, and this world is related to the professionalism, and profession is related to the environment, related to the whole world. Students are just very familiar with this environment, and this environment is just given by the teachers with the professionalism, and professionalism is very much familiar with this innovative and quality teaching. Quality education means quality we are creating or we are just putting the efforts. We are teachers, yes. We are giving the efforts to the students and students giving the efforts to the teachers when we are just creating or we are just putting our efforts to the subjects and students grasping and learning. First of all, if I am just giving my example, as a teacher, I have the experience of 22 years. What I am just giving to my students, I am just giving the innovative teaching. And what is innovative teaching? If I am just related the quality with the education, then what is quality? Quality means that in today's scenario of education, that we are giving something extra to the students. It doesn't mean that if we are just giving bookish knowledge to the students, that means it's a quality teaching. No. That means it's a quality education. No. That means something extra or something innovative we are giving. And what is something extra? That students know that what is Facebook, students know what is YouTube, students know what is Instagram and how to run it. Students know the gadgets, that what is technology. Students know, nowadays students know everything, and they are comparing themselves. Yes, I know the skills as my teachers know. And what is the difference between the teachers and the students? What are the graph we are setting nowadays? We just, if we are just making a graph in between that, the teachers what giving to the students the quality. Quality means if you are just entering in the class, that quality education enters with you. If you are teaching your students and when they are just coming out from the classes, they said, yes, I just learned this topic from ma'am, this topic from sir. And what I just got today, I got the quality teaching, quality education, quality topic, and what I got my future. I want to implement this thing or that thing in my future, I got the skills today. Because whenever I just cramming something and that cram, it is not going to implement in my future, it is not going to give my side from that anyone to. So this is not the quality teaching or quality education. So that means something extra or something implementation should be there. What is implementation? Because if you are just talking about the innovation, if you are just talking about the empowering, if you are just talking about the innovative things, so we have to talk about the something extra, we have to talk about the something change. And what is the change? The change we are giving to the students, the change we are giving to the environment, and the change we are just coming out with the change. The teachers with the native scenario, the teachers with the innovative things, the teachers with the new profession and new professionalism. Now we're just coming out with the communication. Nowadays, they're the skills that we are coming out with the soft skills. What is soft skills? Soft skills is somewhere that everyone needs and everyone know the value of the soft skills but don't know that what is exactly the soft skills that we need. The soft skills, we need the communication, we need that how to communicate. No, we don't know. We only know the English, and English is like a very big difficulty for us. We don't know that how to communicate. We only know the English. Okay, I know English because we have the attitude that we know English. I know English, but how to communicate in English? The main concept is that actually I know. No, I don't know. That what I need the what I had to teach you. If you know that I have to learn, yes, what I have to learn. The concept what I have to learn. The differentiation between. So if I know the differentiation, so definitely I know what I have to give to you. You know what I have to grasp from my side. The quality education is related with so many concepts. What I am giving to you and what you have to grasp from my side. So there are so many discussions if we are just giving to in the daily scenario, in the daily life. There are so many conferences, there are so many seminars, there are so many workshops going on with these type of topics, and we are just going to give so many discussions we have that can do this, we can do that. But exactly what we have to do? We have to do that the main thing and the main contents what I know and what you have to give. If the quality teaching you want to give to your students, the main thing is that exactly what I am giving to you. For example, if the students coming in the classes and what they grasping, if they are sitting in the classes and they are blank, if a topic for 10 minutes, 20 minutes I am teaching to the class, and if they know, yes, I know the value of the topic, ma'am, if you are teaching the communication, if I know that what is communication, if I know that communication is very important for me, if I know that for the recruitment process, for my job, for my future, it is very mandatory, and if I know that for maintain to my future, for the future my family and for my degree, it is very good thing. So definitely I have to be sit here in my class, I have to be there for my future, I have to be there for my degree, I have to got the marks. So definitely these are the skills and these are the things what should be carry for me and what I have to carry for me. So these are the things and these are the sides what I have to discuss and what you have to discuss and what we have to just make a balance with between and in between. So today's there's a discussion and discussion can be going on. So this is all about the quality education. Now at last I want to quote Malala Yousafzai. One child, one teacher, one book and one pen can change the world. Thank you so much.